Subscribe to that channel, my friend. As you visit, subscription is free. But because we make this type of video every time, then you'll be notified and you'll be the first to watch. Thank you.
On the resistance itself. Okay. Now we got the high and the low of the chart. The high and the low, because this is going up. Okay. And now what we're going to do now is that we're going to go again to say, okay, I want to go and remove that support resistance line. I want to delete it. Okay, I delete it, but it's not yet deleted. But I want to insert another trend, another support resistance.
Okay, I'm going to forward it a little bit because I believe most of you have watched this in my previous video. Let me forward it a little bit.
Red is showing us something from this high to this low.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go again and make it like, let's go edit it. This is 200. We have 500.
Yep.
We have our trend line.
We have the trend line.
We have 200. Okay. We have 500 support resistance, which is this. And we have 200. What does this mean? This means that we got a touch on the 200 low. Then we got a touch on the 200 high. Then we are expecting a touch on the 200 low.
And that is a retracement, and that is a pullback. And that is how to trade a pullback within the support resistance, okay? And that pullback from that high, okay, to the low will take another 1 week, okay? Which within that 1 week, it takes you 3 days to book your profit. Let's continue.
To create a new 200 low.
Yep.
Which means,
yep,
I'm going to go again to put a line on the 200 low.
Okay.
To say what? Let me make this line.
You see that line that they put on the low, and the price is going to come from the high of that line. Coming to bounce on the low takes 1 week. This is why you need to know exactly what the market is going to do before it ever do that.
Line, a red line to say that. Okay, let me make it a yellow line to say that, yeah, if the price get there, let me say, I want to target a buy. I want to target a buy. It's a buy zone. You know, and target a buy zone. So definitely what? Because I know the trend is going up.
You know, he target a buy zone because he knows the trend is going up. Okay. And if he is selling from the previous high, exactly, that is exactly where he plans to take his own sell profit and enter into a buy. You know, that is why the lines are drawn on the chart.
With the 500 support resistance line I put here, with my trend line going up, then with the support resistance 200 itself, which shows when the price comes to bounce on this 200 yellow line, that is when I look to buy. This is it.
Thank you so much for watching. One more time, please subscribe to this channel and go under the link and see all the menus we got. You know, like and share so that you will be the first to know when we publish this type of content. Thank you for watching.